front of me is iPad 13 2026, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, just open any app you want to use in this view, and then access the deck. To do that, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Now select the second app from here, hold it and drag it up. Then when you see blurry area on the right or on the left, let go. As you can see now, I can use both of my apps at once. If you wish to go back from this view, you can hold this line in the middle and drag it all the way to the right or to the left. Then let go and close the remaining app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!